Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our Science 3, Quarter 3, Week 1, Day 1. Our topic for today is moving objects by pushing and pulling. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Look outside. These things you see that are moving and not moving. How they know what is moving and what is not moving. Things that are moving and not moving. Moving objects. Cars, people walking, birds flying, ball rolling, leaves blowing in the wind. Not moving objects, table, chair, house, bag on the floor, tree trunk. Not moving unless blown by the winds. Lesson purpose intention. For today's lesson, you are going to make objects moves in different ways. Lesson language practice. Match the pictures with the correct action words from the list provided. Here are the correct answers. Reading the key idea stem. Activity 1. What are the different ways to make object move? In this activity, you will, number 1, describe different ways to make objects move, and 2, demonstrate how push and pull forces cause objects to move. Materials needed, activity sheet and pencil. For the duration, this is good for 10 minutes. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Activity proper. Divide the class into groups of 3 to 5 members. Distribute the activity sheets and explain the procedure of the activity. After the learners finish the activity, synthesize the answer and facilitate the discussion. For tasks or questions. Drawing of the object, example, book. How can you make the object move? Carry the object, pull the book, push the book. For the discussion, what objects did you choose to draw? And how did you make the objects move? Deepening understanding of the key ideas STEM. Perform the following actions. The rest of the class should identify the action and categorize it as a pushing or pulling action. Number 1, carrying a bag. Number 2, rolling a dice. Number 3, tying shoelaces. Number 4, zipping your clothes. Number 5, kicking a ball. Here are the correct answers. How are push and pull actions similar and different? Both push and pull actions can make things move. Push moves an object away from you, while pull moves an object towards you. Both actions, push and pull, can cause an object to move. Force can be described as a push or a pull. Force, being a push or a pull, may cause objects to move. Making generalization and abstraction. Ask the learners the following. Here is the provided answer. Evaluating learning. Direction. Use the words in the box to fill in the blanks. Here are the correct answers.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, observe, and have fun. See you next time!